In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of using Slack Connect in under 5 minutes. With the ever-increasing necessity to collaborate across teams and organizations, Slack Connect offers an invaluable tool. Now let's dive right in. To begin, head over to Slack's official website. You can easily find it via any search engine by looking for Slack AI Work Management and Productivity Tools. Once you are on the landing page, you'll see a range of options. Here, what you'll want to do next is sign in. Slack presents multiple login methods, but the simplest and often the quickest method is by using Google Sign-In. It will save you time if you already have a Google account, as you won't need to manually enter your credentials every time you log in. Simply click on Sign In with Google and you'll be well on your way. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll see all your channels and direct messages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space as it will be central to your work. Now let's navigate to the profile section. You can access this by clicking on your profile picture or icon, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Once you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll want to select Account Settings, which will take you into a more detailed view of your profile information. In the Account Settings section, you'll find an option labeled Account and Profile. Selecting this will give you an overview of detailed settings related to your account. It's worthwhile to explore these settings at some point to ensure that all your preferences, such as notification settings or personal information, are up to date. Now comes the key step, accessing Slack Connect. To do so, navigate to the option called Slack Connect Connections, which you should find in the settings menu. Clicking this will allow you to manage your connections, see which channels are shared with external organizations, and effortlessly facilitate necessary collaborations. Ultimately, to start sharing a channel and expand your connectivity, click on Share Channel. This will prompt you to enter the necessary details about which channel you wish to share with an external party and any pertinent access controls. It's crucial to ensure you have the correct permissions to share these channels, so double check with your Slack admin if necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly use Slack Connect to enhance collaboration within your organization and beyond. Whether you're connecting with external partners or merely managing internal channel sharing, remember to keep adjusting your settings as your collaboration needs grow. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.